Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the GM certified 2017 Chevy Equinox Premier all-wheel drive, stock number Z9745XX. 22,000 miles and there's one owner. Clean auto check history report. Mosaic black in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection. Give you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 6-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000 mile bumper to bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back, folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Premier has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power seats, along with memory settings for 2 drivers, power moonroof, gauges with driver information system. This Equinox has advanced safety features like lane departure warning as well as forward collision alert. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is of course where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming home link transmitter for garage door opener, power liftgate, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 3.6 liter V6, 301 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average 23 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.